What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, we're going to be working on my friend Naudic's E92 M3 that he had recently bought. So if you guys haven't checked out the last video on this car, then I suggest you guys go and check that out. But in this video, we're finally going to be starting on the bodywork for the car so we could get this thing repainted. Because if you guys don't know, this car is in dire need of a paint job. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, the car was wrapped before, and when we took the wrap off, it just completely took the clear coat off, like the front end, front bumper. They had like sanded down some rock chips, it looks like. But yeah, the entire car's paint job is just completely screwed up. So we're gonna go ahead and get it repainted. We got the owner right here. Looks like he brought me some Uncrustables. Sheesh! Sheesh! What's up, baby? How you doing? So, he knows me too well. Yes. I was actually in dire need of a Red Bull right now. But yeah, as I was saying, the car needs a paint job. So in the previous video, we got it all stripped down and ready, and in this video we're going to get it all sanded up, and whatever needs primer, we're going to primer up and get it ready for paint. And in the next video we're hopefully going to get it painted. So it's not going to be too long of a process, but we got to get this thing done and finished up. I never showed you guys the roof, but check out how the roof turned out. The clear coat is peeling on the carbon fiber roof, which actually happens to literally every BMW with the carbon fiber roof over time. But check that out, guys. Wow. It's just, that's the clear coat coming off that easily. We basically have to do that to the entire roof. Just scuff it up a little bit because it's actually carbon fiber right underneath. We just got to scuff up that carbon fiber and re-clear it while the car is getting painted as well. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead, move this E36 out. I'm debating on sanding the car inside the garage, but I really don't want to because it's going to get all dusty everywhere. But let me go ahead and move this car out the way. Summer is here, guys and gals. Some gals. Aren't you tired of using those same old shitty ass Ray-Bans like everyone else has? It's like become the norm or some shit like that. Look at this. Look at this basic piece of glasses. And how much are you paying? $150, $200 for this shit? It's time to throw those out. Get yourself some Simply Carbon Fiber. Huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Just check out these dope glasses that they sent me out. Summer is here. I'm tired of Ray-Bans. Aren't you tired of Ray-Bans? Time for you to get some new shades in your life. Simply Carbon Fiber is where it's at. These things are polarized too, so it keeps the sun out of my damn eyes. Simply Carbon Fiber is having a 25% off Father's Day sale, so make sure you guys go check that out. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. I'll have the link down below. They got a bunch of awesome products, like obviously these sick ass sunglasses. They also got a bunch of carbon fiber phone cases like this. They got a bunch of accessories. Make sure you guys go check out their website. Like I said, they're having 25% off. You can't get a deal like that at Ray-Bans, can you? Nah. Go take advantage of that. Link will be down below. Thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. So what I want to start off with first is try to get all this clear coat peeled off of the hood, or else if we just leave it on there and sand it, it'll chip later on even after we paint it. So let's start off by getting all this clear coat off of the hood. Alright, me and Nautic went ahead and got all the clear off from the hood, so now it's just like a flat primer. I think they had just used some black primer before, but right now he's taking off all the residue that was left over from the old like little spoiler that was on there and the M3 badge with this cool little rubber tool. While he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and start block sanding the hood with some 320 grit. So I'm actually gonna be block sanding with 320 grit the whole car and then finish it off with 600 grit, which I have over here. But for now, 320 grit. It's probably gonna take a few days to get the entire car done. The car doesn't really have damage or anything like that. Maybe like a tiny dent or two here and there, but that'll all get covered up with a little bit of putty. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead, start block sanding this hood down. Alright guys, so I got this hood all sanded down and ready to go. Nada actually peeled off the rest of like the clear coat on the roof, and he's working on getting the little pieces off as well. And then we got car review Chris over here doing some magic.
Doing the fine detail work that no one else can do.
Yeah, no one else can do that. He's taping off like that VIN number right there. We got cousin George standing around not doing jack shit.
I'm looking shit up for you.
Stupid ass.
Dumbass. Oh yeah.
Since I got done with the hood, I want to start off with like the flat spots because they're easier to do. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do both the doors and then just move on from there. Alright guys, so in those last few clips we got the entire car all sanded down and wiped up. So right now the whole car is sanded down with 320 grit, and we still need to go over it with a 600 grit, but there's just a few things that I have to deal with first. Like there's like a little tiny dent right here that has to get fixed, and just like a little rock chip area on the hood, but that's about it for the body. For right now we're gonna go ahead and start on the front and rear bumper and the side skirts, because we got to get these things sanded down. So it's actually been a little bit since that last update video, but instead of boring you guys with all the sanding that I've been doing, I went ahead and finished everything up. So the entire car is all sanded down with 600 grit, which is the final grit sandpaper to sand with before paint. But yeah, everything is all done. Even the little filler work that it needed, like in the front right there, the little ding on the door right there, and also that small dent that was on the trunk right there is all fixed up and ready to go. And the entire car is all sanded down. The roof is all sanded down as well. So car is officially good to go for paint, as well as the front and rear bumper and the side skirts, which are sitting over there, is all ready to go. But obviously, like I said, we're not going to be painting it in this video. We're actually going to be painting it in the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. This is where I'm gonna end this video off. If you guys are enjoying this little build that we're doing, make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think about the build, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.